Today, you will meet 15 insects that are best not to touch. Number 15. Japanese giant hornet. The Japanese giant hornet is a formidable insect, with a size and sting that make it one of nature's most intimidating predators. At almost 2 inches long, this hornet doesn't just sting once, it injects a venom capable of dissolving tissue, leading to severe pain and swelling. But the sting isn't the only concern. When one hornet stings, it releases a chemical signal that can call its entire colony into action, resulting in a coordinated, deadly attack. For those allergic, a few stings from these hornets can be life-threatening, as their venom can cause anaphylaxis. Even honeybees aren't safe from these giants, which can wipe out entire hives in hours by decapitating their prey. They defend their territory with aggression, attacking anything they perceive as a threat, from other insects to curious humans. Originating in Japan, these hornets have now been sighted in other parts of the world, including North America, sparking concern due to their impact on local bee populations. With venom, size, and an organized attack strategy, the Japanese giant hornet is a creature best observed from afar. Number 14. Bullet ant. Bullet ant, native to South America's rainforests, is known for delivering the most excruciating sting in the insect world. Its sting has been described as comparable to being shot, with burning pain that can last for up to 24 hours. This agony is so intense that local tribes use these ants in initiation rites, where individuals wear gloves filled with bullet ants as a test of endurance. The neurotoxin they inject overstimulates nerve endings, leading to waves of throbbing, incapacitating pain. Despite their reputation, bullet ants don't attack unless provoked, preferring to stay undisturbed in their forest habitat. However, if threatened, they defend themselves fiercely, and even a single bite can leave a victim in writhing pain. Researchers and scientists studying these ants approach them with caution, knowing firsthand the unforgettable pain of their sting. With an impact so severe, the bullet ant's presence is both respected and feared by those who cross its path. Number 13. Africanized honeybee. Africanized honeybees, often referred to as killer bees, may look like regular honeybees, but their behavior is far from ordinary. Known for their extreme territorial nature, they will pursue perceived threats over long distances, attacking in swarms that are virtually impossible to escape. When a single bee stings, it releases a chemical that alerts the entire hive, resulting in hundreds or even thousands of bees joining the assault. This defensive strategy, combined with relentless pursuit, makes them one of the most dangerous bee species to encounter. The bees were unintentionally created in the 1950s through crossbreeding and have since spread across continents, reaching parts of the US. Their venom isn't stronger than that of regular honeybees, but the sheer volume of stings from a swarm can be fatal. For anyone allergic, encountering Africanized honeybees can be a life-threatening experience. While they may look harmless, respecting their space and avoiding their hives is crucial to avoiding a painful and dangerous encounter. Number 12. Brazilian wandering spider. Known as one of the most venomous spiders in the world, the Brazilian wandering spider is both feared and respected. Unlike other spiders that spin webs to catch prey, this one actively hunts, moving through rainforests and even into urban areas, making unexpected encounters far more likely. Its venom can induce intense pain, muscle paralysis, and in severe cases, respiratory failure, which makes medical treatment essential for its bite. Found hiding in dark places, it often surprises victims who unknowingly disturb it. The Brazilian wandering spider doesn't avoid humans, frequently entering homes, shoes, and clothing, and striking fear into anyone who crosses its path. With venom powerful enough to incapacitate larger creatures, this spider doesn't need a web to defend itself. Known as a dangerous predator, its bold behavior and potent venom have given it a reputation as one of the most feared arachnids on the planet. Those who encounter it quickly learn to appreciate the cautionary tales surrounding this deadly spider. Number 11. Assassin bug. The assassin bug, sometimes called the kissing bug, carries a hidden threat far greater than its bite alone. These bugs are known vectors of Chagas disease, a serious illness that can lead to severe heart and digestive issues. When the bug bites, it often leaves a parasite behind, which can remain dormant in the human body for years before symptoms appear. These bites typically happen at night, often on the face, making them difficult to detect until long after the fact. Chagas disease can be challenging to treat once symptoms develop, leading to lifelong health complications. Infected individuals may suffer from fatigue, heart problems, and even organ failure. Found primarily in the Americas, assassin bugs have impacted millions of lives with this parasitic infection. With their stealthy bite and the risk of serious illness, assassin bugs are insects you definitely don't want to encounter up close. Number 10. Tarantula hawk wasp. The tarantula hawk wasp is a formidable creature, known for its ability to take down tarantulas with a single sting. This wasp injects its prey with a powerful venom that paralyzes the spider, leaving it alive but immobilized for its larvae to feed on. Although humans aren't their typical target, if stung, the experience is said to be overwhelmingly painful, often described as one of the most intense stings in the insect world. This pain may last only a few minutes, but it's enough to leave a lasting impression. Brightly colored and unmistakably large, the tarantula hawk wasp serves as a visual warning to predators and humans alike. Fortunately, it's not aggressive unless provoked, so most people are spared from its painful sting. However, anyone who does encounter it will remember the experience vividly. Its fearless approach to hunting and powerful defense mechanism make this wasp one of the most intimidating insects to encounter in the wild. Number 9. Botfly. Botflies are notorious for their gruesome parasitic life cycle, which involves laying eggs under the skin of mammals, including humans. Once the eggs hatch, the larvae burrow deeper, feeding on tissue and causing painful, swollen lumps. People who become hosts to these larvae often feel them moving under their skin, creating a horrifying experience that requires careful medical extraction to remove. The sensation and infection can persist, making botfly infestations a drawn-out nightmare for anyone affected. These parasites are mainly found in tropical areas, where they use other insects, like mosquitoes, to deposit their eggs on unsuspecting hosts. The infection site can become inflamed, painful, and difficult to treat without professional help. For those unlucky enough to encounter a botfly, it's not just a minor annoyance. It's a disturbing ordeal that requires careful intervention to resolve. Avoiding contact with these flies is key to steering clear of their horrifying life cycle. Number 8. Blister Beetle. At first glance, the blister beetle may not seem intimidating, but a single touch can be disastrous. This beetle secretes a toxin called cantharidin, which can cause severe skin irritation and painful blisters upon contact. In fact, just brushing up against a blister beetle can lead to serious burns that take days to heal. Historically, cantharidin was even used as a form of poison, underscoring its intense effects on human skin. Blister beetles are commonly found in gardens and fields, where they blend in with their surroundings, making accidental contact likely. For unsuspecting individuals, these beetles can be a painful surprise, especially when their toxins are released on sensitive skin. Known for their hidden potency, blister beetles are a reminder that even small, seemingly harmless creatures can pose a big threat. Observing these insects from a safe distance is a wise choice to avoid any painful encounters. Number 7. Asian Longhorned Beetle. The Asian Longhorned Beetle isn't dangerous to humans directly, but it's devastating for the environment. This invasive beetle bores into trees, destroying them from within and threatening entire ecosystems. Once a tree is infected, it typically doesn't survive, and the beetle moves on to its next target. Left unchecked, these beetles can decimate forests and urban greenery, leading to extensive ecological and economic damage. Environmental agencies worldwide have raised concerns about the spread of Asian longhorned beetles, as their impact on forests and parks is severe. They're often found in packing materials and wood products, spreading to new areas and increasing the scope of their damage. While they don't pose an immediate threat to humans, handling or transporting these beetles can accelerate their spread. Keeping an eye out and reporting sightings helps prevent their expansion and protect natural landscapes. Number 6. Bombardier Beetle. The Bombardier Beetle is one of nature's most explosive insects, literally. When threatened, it releases a boiling toxic spray from its abdomen that can reach up to 100 degrees Celsius, enough to burn human skin. This spray is ejected in rapid bursts, effectively scaring off predators or any creature that poses a threat. The toxic spray causes severe irritation and can leave a lasting impression on anyone who comes too close. Despite their small size, Bombardier beetles pack a powerful defense that makes them stand out in the insect world. The chemical reaction within their bodies allows them to produce this explosive effect within milliseconds, a mechanism that has intrigued scientists for years. Encountering one may leave you with a surprising and painful memory, so it's best to admire this fascinating insect from a distance. Number 5. Velvet ant, cow killer. Despite its name, the velvet ant is actually a type of wasp rather than an ant, and it's notorious for its incredibly painful sting. Known as the cow killer, this insect's sting is rumored to be so painful that it could kill a cow, although this is an exaggeration. Its bright red and black coloring is a warning signal, and anyone who ignores it may regret it. The velvet ant's sting has been compared to a hot needle piercing the skin, with pain lasting up to 30 minutes or more. The velvet ant is covered in dense velvet-like fur, which adds to its deceptively soft appearance. However, handling one is a mistake few make twice. Although generally not aggressive, they will sting if handled or threatened, and the experience is memorable for its intensity. Observing this unique insect from a respectful distance is the best way to avoid its powerful defense. Number 4. Giant silkworm moth caterpillar. In its caterpillar stage, the giant silkworm moth carries a hidden danger with venomous spines along its body. Found primarily in South America, particularly in Brazil, this caterpillar's spines can inject a venom that leads to intense pain, swelling, and even blood clotting issues, which can be fatal if untreated. These spines are a natural defense against predators, but they also pose a risk to humans who unknowingly touch them. The caterpillar's appearance can be deceiving, with vibrant colors that almost make it look harmless. However, its toxins have led to it being responsible for numerous hospitalizations each year. The effects of a sting can vary from mild pain to severe symptoms that require immediate medical care. Admiring this caterpillar from afar is a wise choice, as its beautiful exterior hides a potentially life-threatening defense. Number 3. Puss caterpillar, asp caterpillar. Asp caterpillar looks soft and inviting, but is one of the most venomous caterpillars in North America. Hidden under its fuzzy exterior are venomous spines that cause excruciating pain, sometimes described as more intense than a bee sting. These spines release venom upon contact, causing severe burning, swelling, and in some cases, nausea and difficulty breathing. This caterpillar's appearance can lure people into touching it, but the resulting sting can lead to intense medical issues. Found on trees and shrubs, especially in the southern United States, the puss caterpillar poses a hidden threat to those unfamiliar with its toxicity. Handling it is a painful lesson, often leading to emergency medical visits. Observing this caterpillar without physical contact is essential to avoid its powerful sting. Number 2. Brown recluse spider. The brown recluse spider is known for its venomous bite, which can cause necrotic wounds that may take weeks to heal. Found in dark, undisturbed areas, this spider often goes unnoticed until it feels threatened. Its bite doesn't always hurt initially, but within hours, it can lead to severe symptoms, including intense pain, tissue damage, and even systemic reactions in severe cases. These spiders are typically not aggressive, but they'll bite if accidentally disturbed, especially in areas like closets, attics, and sheds. Because of their reclusive nature, encounters are rare, but the consequences of a bite can be serious and long-lasting. Being cautious in dark, secluded spaces can help avoid this spider's venomous bite. The brown recluse serves as a reminder that some of the most dangerous creatures are often hidden in plain sight. Number 1. Red imported fire ant. Red imported fire ants are known for their painful, venomous stings and aggressive behavior. Unlike many other ants, these will swarm and attack in large numbers if they perceive a threat, with each ant delivering multiple stings. Their venom causes intense burning and itching, often leading to pustules and allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. A few stings may be manageable, but when hundreds attack, the experience can become overwhelming. Fire ants are incredibly territorial, building large mounds and fiercely defending their colonies. Their aggressive response to any disturbance makes them a significant threat to humans and animals alike, especially in regions where they've become invasive. Their painful stings and the sheer number of attackers make any encounter with fire ants something to avoid at all costs. Respecting their territory is key to staying safe from their relentless attacks.